Now, today we have a bunch of new leaks about the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6, and I'm very excited about the second one. Let's talk about it. As usual, according to Ice Universe on Twitter, the Galaxy Z Fold 6 series will be released in early July, which is in less than 3 months. Also, he says that the software department is working on One UI 6.1.1, which the Galaxy Z Fold series will be powered by straight out of the box. And the key functional innovation of One UI 6.1.1 will be Video AI, but still don't know what Video AI is exactly. But it could be one of these. Maybe the object removal tool that we saw in the Galaxy S24 Ultra, but for video. How exciting is that? I want to remind you that this feature has been talked about in the past for the S23 series, but never came. Or could be generating video from scratch using text prompts like Sora from OpenAI that took the headlines of the news lately. Or maybe another thing completely we only can guess for now. And if you're still here, give me a subscribe because that would make my day. The third news for today is that there is an update about the colors of the phone. Previously we said that the Z Fold 6 will come in dark blue, light pink and silver. But according to Ross Young on Twitter, the dark blue is now called navy, which is a better name in my opinion, and the silver is now silver shadow. In addition to new low volume colors, which are crafted black and crafted white. And now I'm already working on the next video, which is about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 6, so subscribe to not miss it. And if you want to know what we know about the Samsung Galaxy Tab S10 series, click on this video. And please take just a second to support me by subscribing to my channel and liking this video and perhaps sharing it with interested friends. Thank you for watching, see you on the next one.